Hey, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Shemaine. Shemaine's been trading with us from the 25th of June 2021, and this is the date of review, 16th of July 2021. Shemaine's had a total gain of 12.33%. A monthly gain of 12.33% and a drawdown of 11.88%. She has hit the drawdown, and obviously that's a conversation with the risk manager. But what we have to understand, she's hit the drawdown only to come back as well and hit 10%, as well as get 12.33% on the monthly gain. This was done with a total of 363 trades, which is very unique. And let's look at the strike rate. Although she hit a drawdown, she still won 199 out of 363, which represents 55%, and lost 164 out of 363, which represents 45%. So Shemaine falls into the category of traders who have hit drawdowns, but only to come back more confident, more resilient, and hit 10%. So in this business, you can be right or wrong and still make money and still come back from a losing position. So based on these statistics, we can see Shemaine is definitely above an average trader by 55% because 50% is the average mark. Even one of our best traders on the program maintains a 50-50. So getting 55% is still a good achievement. But let's take into consideration the hard work this trader's put in to hit 10%. So congratulations on that. So moving forward now, let's look at the way it's happened over the year, over the month of the 2 months of joining. 10.46% gain in June and 1.7% in July. Looking at the monthly analytics, but when we're looking at the drawdown in per se, we can see at one point it fell down to minus 9.23%. And if you take minus 3.86%, so this drawdown is taking a cumulative of time. So the absolute drawdown was 10%. So we just felt shy of almost 10%, but still got on to a winning level. Let's look at the trade summary of trades taken. This trader's taken quite a few trades, and when traders have quite a number of trades, I always recommend moving forward, going on to the next level. Focus on the pairs that give you the most gains, the most pips, and the most dollars. So that's how you analyze your strength. So looking at these pairs now, let's stick to these pairs. If you look at the pound US dollar, we look at the New Zealand dollar US dollar, and we look at the euro New Zealand dollar, and we can see a few other pairs in the green. So I'll recommend you stick to the New Zealand dollar US dollar, the pound US dollar, and the euro New Zealand dollar, because on the long side you made a lot of pips here. You made 1150.1, and you weren't too good on the short side. So this is a very good attempt, and congratulations at this. So if you just stick to the pairs I've just mentioned, you're always going to be successful and very consistent on the euro New Zealand dollar, the pound US dollar, and New Zealand dollar US dollar. As a trader, I always recommend at least 4 pairs to master, because that way you'll always be in control of what you're doing. And I like to offer a few tips as well to help you improve your percentage gain. And I challenge you to try and reduce your losses by 5% and try and increase your gains by 10%. So you're giving yourself a 2-to-1 target. Also, ask yourself, are you in the right mindset when you're trading? Are you chasing the market? Is price action present? Are you at the right entry point, exit point, and more importantly, risk management? Is there manipulation in the market? Is there accumulation in the market? And make sure you're trading liquid pairs, just like the Euro NZD as you've done. This will always help you be consistent with your targets. Discipline and consistency is very key in this business. And also having a trading plan, the market sentiment, and always know when you're going to get in and get out. That will always help you to get out of trouble. Looking at some of your random trades now, we can see you've traded quite a few pairs, and I always tell traders 25 to 40 pips should be the basic threshold, just taking profit off the table. But getting 70 and above is great as well. So we can see you've been trading quite a few pairs, quite a few consistent losses, but overall you still hit your target. But what I do recommend, and strongly recommend is use a stop loss. That would definitely help you reduce your losses significantly and make you a better trader, because as you're hitting your 10%, you're going to become more confident, more aware of what you're doing, and you're going to enjoy the process as well because you're going to get paid straight away. As a trader, it's always a good feeling when you get paid for your hard work, unlike waiting a month, 2 months, 3 months. So your reward is based on the effort you put in. So I wish you all the best, and I know you can be a better trader. Please take these considerations on board and also head over to the Audacity community app to connect with myself and like-minded traders. You have educational content there and you can interact with me and more importantly, be successful on your journey. So congratulations and well done, and I wish you all the best.